Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching. Today, doing a little quick blog on the Ford Bronco, the 70 model. We're going to install an intake manifold on this. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, this is a real quick how to install a intake manifold on a small block Ford. I'm not going to go through the steps of taking it all apart because this was a brand new crate engine and there wasn't anything to take apart, but that's pretty much self-explanatory. Just start taking it apart. Don't drop anything down inside the motor valley if you're planning on reusing the motor, because that's going to destroy it. First, take it all apart, clean up the contact area where the gasket will meet. Then assemble your gaskets just like I've done here. Throw away the cork gasket that goes on the front seal, on the rear seal of the manifold, because that's going to cause you trouble later, I promise you. Run a nice thick bead of silicone gasket maker on that. High heat if you've got it. Not really necessary, but that's what I like to use. And there you go. Let's go get the intake, set it up. Okay, I also did this on the heads of the block after I clean the surface from any kind of paint, overspray from painting the block. I took some lacquer thinner and cut through any type of a mold release or any kind of machining oil that would be on this intake that's going to prevent the gaskets from sticking. And they use all kinds of stuff, and you know, you can see the black on there now. So anything that's on here, it's best to get it off. Better safe than sorry. You can use wax and grease remover, lacquer thinner, paint reducer if you're spraying cars and stuff. Just anything that's going to cut through the oil and not leave any oily residue behind. I'm getting off a lot of black stuff. I'm sure it's not showing up on the camera, but this is just another tip. All right, here we go to another step. After cleaning the intake, install it on top of your gaskets. So next step is what I like is all new hardware, and this is a motor kit from Totally Stainless, all stainless steel stuff. Comes individually packaged in bags just like this, all the hardware that you're going to need. Go ahead and finger tight that down in the intake, and then we'll go through the torque sequence and get this thing put on for good. All right, here we go. I've already got everything torqued down because it's hard to do that with a camera. So what I'm going to show you now is the technique that I used. Aluminum intake. I torqued it down to first hand tight, then 10 pounds, and then I went to 20 pounds with aluminum intake. Now, this can vary from manufacturers. Aluminum heads, you would probably torque it down to 18. And also, if it was a cast iron intake manifold, up to 25 foot-pounds. And I'm going to insert a sequence chart on how to do it, but here's what I did. This welding rod here. Went to this one, then that one, and then that one, and that one, all the way up front to the corner, all the way in the back, all the way up front to this corner, all the way to the back to that corner, and then this one, this one, this one, and that one. And I did that to 20 foot-pounds with this aluminum intake on cast iron heads. And that's what I've always done. It's always worked for me. Different manufacturers will get you up to 22 foot-pounds. But I'm also using these stainless steel fasteners. And if you've ever used stainless steel before, it kind of gets scary, you know, at the higher ends of the torque settings. And I didn't want to break a bolt off. And I know that it's sealed good. So anyway, I hope this video helps. Please like, share, and subscribe, and help this channel grow. Thank you.